pepper has three effects. Cayenne pepper, number one, thins the blood. Number two, doctors, nurses, and engineers who have ever dreamed of living in Australia now have an opportunity. It is a vasodilator. It opens the blood vessels. A vasodilator. Vaso meaning vascular, blood system. It opens the blood vessels.
Cayenne pepper has been used in the management of heart diseases in many ways. As Dr. Barber teaches, cayenne pepper thins the blood. Thinning of the blood makes it easier for blood to flow through the blood vessels and also makes it easier for the heart to pump blood. Also, the cayenne pepper causes vasodilation, which means widening of the blood vessels, thereby creating more space for blood to flow. This leads to reduced blood pressure and reduced workload on the heart.
So with dilating the blood vessels, you get a more effective and efficient flow of blood through the whole body. Number three, it strengthens the arterial walls.
So how should we take the cayenne pepper?
How do you take it? Start with a quarter of a teaspoon and about a third of a cup of water just before each meal. Throw it down, it'll tingle a bit, but the tingle stops. If I had built up in my arteries, I would not have a bypass. What I would do is I would start taking 2 capsules of cayenne pepper 3 times a day.
It is important for us to take cayenne pepper daily, as it helps us maintain a healthy heart. Celtic salt.
And Celtic salt,
SHU, cayenne peppers range between 30,000 and 50,000 SHU. In contrast, ghost peppers can reach an intense 1 million SU. Cayenne pepper is typically dried and ground into a fine powder, making it a versatile spice for various culinary uses. For centuries, cayenne pepper has been cherished not only for its culinary versatility, but also for its medicinal properties. It's a staple in Mexican, Cajun, Creole, and Southwestern American cuisines, as well as Korean, Sichuan, and other Asian dishes. If you're already sprinkling cayenne pepper on your spaghetti, tacos, casseroles, eggs, or seafood, you're enjoying both flavor and health benefits in one go. But there's more to cayenne pepper than just enhancing your meals. It has a long history in traditional Ayurvedic and Eastern medicine, where it's used to address digestive and circulatory issues. The key ingredient in cayenne pepper, capsaicin, is responsible for many of its health benefits. Capsaicin is commonly found in topical treatments for relieving muscle and joint pain, and it's what gives cayenne pepper its distinctive heat. Originally from Central and South America, cayenne pepper now grows in many parts of the world, including India, East Africa, Mexico, and various regions in the United States. Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that cayenne pepper is excellent for thinning the blood, strengthening heart muscles, maintaining arterial walls, and stimulating blood flow. According to Dr. O'Neill, good blood circulation is crucial for healing, as blood is the life of the flesh, and it needs to be constantly moving to keep us healthy.
cayenne pepper will heal a stomach ulcer. Cayenne pepper moves blood. It's one of the best circulatory stimulants there is. It's not a nervous system stimulant like your caffeines or your tobacco. It's a blood stimulant.
Many people turn to aspirin to thin their blood, but this common practice carries significant risks. Research shows that taking low-dose aspirin daily can lead to serious issues such as brain bleeds, stomach or gastrointestinal bleeding, and even eye bleeding. Dr. Barbara O'Neill addresses these concerns and offers a safer, more natural alternative, cayenne pepper. She advocates that cayenne pepper is the best natural blood thinner and stimulant available, without the bleeding risks associated with aspirin. While it's often advised to avoid spicy and stimulating foods, Dr. O'Neill believes that cayenne pepper's ability to enhance blood flow is a crucial factor in the healing process. She emphasizes that anything that moves blood or accelerates its flow to a specific area can aid in recovery. Moreover, Dr. O'Neill asserts that cayenne pepper can even help treat stomach ulcers, challenging the conventional wisdom that spicy foods should be avoided in such conditions.